Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to use newbie share on your Motorola Defy. So firstly, you need to open the control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find here newbie share. If you don't see newbie share on your control panel, click on the pen or pencil on the left top corner of your control panel and find newbie share in bottom part of your control panel and drag and hold it on the top part of your control center. So cool. When you will see newbie share on your control panel, click and hold on it, wait a while and set up it. So firstly you need to click on share more easily with your contacts. So scroll down, click agree. Now we can change our device name, device visibility mode, I suggest to use everyone mode, and we can change data usage mode, I suggest to use data mode, and just enable newbie share. So cool, now we can send and receive images, files, audio files using newbie share. We can send, we can receive, we can do everything with files. For example, I want to share this image from my private phone, from my OnePlus to my Motorola. So by clicking on send button, the newbie share button, I will see here my HardReset device. So just wait a while. By clicking on this HardReset phone, I will see here on my Motorola device accept button. So click on accept button on your device and as you can see image was successfully sent. So that's all, it works. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video and bye, see you.